Let's go ahead and start with the fuse box.
And connectors 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and steering column.
The starter, coil, radio, cigar lighter, but I didn't plug it in because the plug was pretty rusted. Gray dash is not used and is cut near the splice.
The other gray is for, I don't remember right now.
Wiper motor, headlight power, reverse switch and cruise control system, heater, second deck power key on, alternator, steering column, brake switch power, choke, gauges power, fan, horn switch and horn. Let's take a detailed look at it in the next video.